Hi everyone, welcome to Engineering Projects. Today our project is 4 quadrant operation of a motor using a push button. You can see that I have taken an adapter to give the power supply, and I am using a NOT gate and a L293 driver and as 555 timer for driving the motor. And this is my power supply, and I have given this power supply to this 7805 to make it has a 5 volts, and this is a 7812 to get only 5 volts, and I'm giving that 5 volts supply to the my L9 L293 driver and as well as IC 555. I just switched on it. You can see this is my start and stop. I can start and stop, and this is my clockwise and anti-clockwise switch, and these are my brakes. So firstly I am switching on the motor driver. You can see that my motor is running in clockwise direction. I am applying the brake. You can see my motor got stopped, and now I am pressing the button again. My motor running again. To make it anti-clockwise direction, I am just pushing my toggle button, sorry, push button. You can see my motor running anti-clockwise direction, and I am pressing the push button to make it stop. And this is my power supply to the board. Once I click it, once I push to the up, I cannot on anything or I cannot drive the motor. So I am starting the motor. You can see my motor running clockwise direction. I applied brake and I switched on the motor, and I applied brake, and I'm making it to run into anti-clockwise direction, and I started and I applied brake. Thank you for watching our video.